Bonjour, kids! I am Chef Jack, and it's time for the Chef Jack Show, because today we're doing another Thanksgiving special. Today, we're gonna make apple pie this time, but first, I need to get my apron. Now we're ready for the show. The ingredients for the recipe today are 2 sheets of puff pastry, 8 apples, mixed cinnamon plus sugar, 4 tablespoons butter cut into pieces, 1 egg beaten. Remember, kids, have a parent preheat the oven to 400. Then, place parchment paper on baking sheet. On a floored surface, sprinkle some flour, roll out 1 piece of puff pastry. 4. Transfer to pie dish. Use fingers to press along bottom. Use fork to make holes. Just a few in bottom. Bake it 15 minutes. Roll, roll, roll the pastry just like this and that. If we roll and don't eat, then we get our treat. Roll, roll, roll pastry just like you and me. If we roll and don't eat, then we get the treat. Roll just like me. If we roll and don't eat, then we get the treat. So remember, kids, put the pastry into the pot. Then flatten it with your fingers, like this. See? I'm a little excited. I'm a little nervous and excited. Not because I'm like Arlo, but I'm not. Isn't it great, kids? Now I'm gonna teach you a song. Ready? Here's a shape you gotta know. Come and sing it with me. Triangle, triangle, triangle. T-R-I angle, it spells triangle.